Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you in just 5 minutes get rid of cracked heels naturally and permanently. This is a cracked heels home remedy that works like magic, my friends, and I promise you with very dramatic results. With very simple and natural ingredients at home, we can prepare it, yet it's very effective. But before we start out, my friends, I need to remind you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. That way when I upload a new video and a new remedy, you will get a notification. So the first thing we'll need to prepare this magical remedy in a clean mixing bowl, we'll need 1 candle, and then my friends will need to shred that candle, and I'm going to use this shredder to shred the candle into a fine kind of powder, like so, my friends. And then we'll need to add to this 5 tablespoons of mustard oil, and if you don't have mustard oil available you can replace it with coconut oil, يعني ناري الكتل. And then my friends will need to place all the mixture underneath double boiler method, like so, my friends, and keep mixing until all the ingredients combine well and melt together. And all the ingredients turn it to a liquid, turn it to an oil, remove it from the underneath double boiler method, and we need to store it into an airtight container. And then my friends, add to this 2 capsules of vitamin E, and here I'm using 400 milligrams of vitamin E. This is will provide your skin with nourish and will get you the permanent result. Now mix the ingredients before they get to a solid. Now my friends, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on the cracked heels, and as you can tell it provides very thick moisture. Apply a thick amount, massage the cracked heels for 5 minutes, my friends, and then leave it on it. You don't need to wash it. If there is excess, you can wipe it off with a tissue paper, but don't wash it, and massage the skin for 5 minutes to get the best results. This will get you rid of the cracked heels permanently. It's a very magical home remedy that works like magic, my friends. You can store this remedy for up to 3 months in the room temperature. It's not gonna go bad, and I'm sure this video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedies, and I'll see you in my next video. So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.